number 22 was actually kind of like 21 in the fact that we can't let u equal 1 plus 25x squared, because when you take the derivative, then you're going to have an x, and I don't have any extra x here to account for that. So I actually want to let u just equal 5x, because this is going to be one of those inverse trig function ones. So if I take du, it's 5 dx, and 1/5 du is equal to dx. So if I replace that, then this is 3 times 1/5 du, and this is 1 plus u squared. So let's combine that 3/5. And when I have a 1 plus u squared, that is a tangent inverse. So this will be 3/5 times 1 over 1 tangent inverse of u over 1 plus c. Again, make sure that you refer back to your tangent inverse formulas. And then I want to substitute back in. So that'll be our final answer.